back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious savory galette. Now they could either be sweet or savory, but today I'm going to show you how to make a savory galette. So it's a flaky pie crust and I'm going to fill it with a lot of delicious flavors. So if you want to see how I make it, then stick around. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for all of my new subscribers. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. As usual, I'm going to start by prepping all the ingredients, and right now I'm going to slice one medium onion. So my onions are done, and I'm just going to set these to the side and get started on my mushrooms. I have an 8-ounce carton of white mushrooms. You can also use cremini mushrooms or whatever mushrooms that you like. And I'm just going to take them out the carton and just give them a rough chop. So now I'm ready to head on over to the stove, and over a very low heat, I'm going to warm up some olive oil, like around 2 tablespoons. And now I'm going to begin to saute or caramelize all the onion slices. I'm also going to season my onions with sea salt and some black pepper. And you just want to continue to stir up your onions. Even though you're cooking them at a very low heat, you don't want your onions to burn. So this process is going to take you around 30 minutes to caramelize or to saute your onions. It just depends on how long you want your onions to cook down. So while the onions are cooking down, I'm going to get started on another pan. I'm going to warm up another 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm going to add the chopped mushrooms, and I'm going to season it with some sea salt and black pepper because we always want to season our food. And I'm going to saute the mushrooms over medium heat for 5 minutes. Now at this time, I'm going to add 5 big handfuls of fresh spinach to saute along with my mushrooms. And again, you want to season with some sea salt and some black pepper. And just take the spatula and just continue to stir everything until the spinach is completely wilted down. So for your galette, you're going to need some pie crust, and this is the puff pastry that I particularly like to use. And this comes with 2 sheets of dough, which is a good thing because this recipe makes 2 galettes. So I'm just going to take it out the package and I'm going to unroll it and let it rest on this flat surface. And just grab a rolling pin and just roll it out just a little bit. Okay, let's start making a galette. So I'm going to start off with a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, just spread it on top. And now I'm going to add half of the sauteed onions. Now add half of the mushroom and spinach mixture. Add 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese. It's going to be so good. And if that's not enough, I'm going to sprinkle some feta cheese on top. You can add as much as you want. And now just take the dough and fold and press the edges together. I've already preheated the oven at 400 degrees and I'm going to bake it off for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes of baking in the oven, my galette is all done. It's golden brown, the crust is flaky and delicious, and the inside is cooked to perfection. It kind of reminds you of a pizza or an open-faced calzone. It is so good, and remember to enjoy it while it's nice and hot. Perfect for brunch, lunch, or dinner. But we are all done, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody you know. You can follow me and tag me on Instagram. Take a picture. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please go ahead and comment down below and let me know what you think. Now wait, you guys, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button down at the bottom. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.